So how do I do all this? Well, I don't do anything. Okay. So I'm kind of the pass through. But what I do is I'm just working with the consciousness of the tree. Look, the consciousness knows clearly what that tree wants. It's driving that tree to be healthy, to grow, do all the things the tree should do. That consciousness is saying, I want you to be a nice, big, healthy, giant sequoia. But what happens is the blockages, everything like that happening. I work with that consciousness. We stay okay. So the first thing we need to do is get the circulation increased. Then what we need to do is make more food. Then we need to circulate that food out to the growing points and get in and make sure the part systems and functions have enough food, right? And then we need to activate the grow points. We're getting food out to the grow points. We need to activate the cells at the grow points so those grow points actively grow. And really what we're activating is really the buds in this case, and then supporting roots and xylem and phloem to stay in balance. But you're supporting the buds first. You want to get food out there, get those buds growing so that they can make more food. And then we're working with them to do this food circulation growth cycle. And then they go on their merry way. The tree says, I got it. I'm on a start here. I'm on a cycle here. I can carry this on myself. I'm going to make more food. I'm going to do get the circulation going. I'm going to be growing. I'm going to be able to do all the things I want to do. And it's just my conscious collaboration with the consciousness of the tree that brings that all about. And it's an intuitive interface step that we do. My bioenergy connected with the bioenergy of the tree. And that's what this is all about. It's not that I do anything. It's I work with that consciousness of the tree to bring this all about. Thank you.